Well, hello there, good people. Hi, it's Jason with Green Country Agroforestry. I'm out here in the backyard today to announce my intention to join SHEDWARS21, the gardening collaborative. And I don't know what team I'll get picked for, but it's going to be kind of exciting. This past year I participated, but I did not complete the required number of videos. I only made 5. Some real life stuff got in the way. I didn't make it all the way to the 12 videos required, but that shouldn't be a problem this upcoming season. I'm getting started early. Now last year, I started out making videos with some pretty simple equipment, just this little camera and a separate digital voice recorder, and then edited everything together. This year, I've got a tripod, I've got a decent camera, I've got this new, what is it? A new lapel mic, wireless microphone. So, although I'm getting used to how the equipment's set up, getting the white balance and things like that adjusted so we have good quality pictures, you're going to see a lot more good quality videos from me this year, and of course, lots of okra. Plenty of butternut squash, sweet potatoes, all the mushrooms from these 4 beds back here, and I'll probably build some more. They didn't flush this year, but if you'll have a look at the mycelium that is running through these beds, you can see that all we need is the right temperatures and the right amount of moisture, and these are probably going to start producing really well for us in the months to come. Of course, we'll be adding all the garlic that I've just planted out here to the final weight, and there'll be even more vegetables, more garlic, probably some radishes. I believe we're going to start some daikon radish this year, and carrots, a few other things. I'll be rebuilding our 10-foot tomato trellis and expanding it to another row this upcoming year. So we'll have 2 40-foot rows with tomatoes on trellises higher than I can reach. And of course this year we're not going to transplant those tomato plants out too early like we did this previous season. Along the way there's going to be more tips and updates like how to go about making your own homemade liquid fertilizer. After 3 years, it doesn't even smell at all. In any case, it's going to be a lot of fun. We're going to grow a lot of food, and we're going to have a great time together. So, guys, welcome to SHEDWARS21, and I'll see you next time.